Welcome to Tiny Day,
So today we are going to make a
Father's Day craft, and it's easy for kids and you can enjoy and do at home for your daddy.
yes
For this we will require
A4. So we have right here A4 size blue paper, and we have cut out a beautiful cloud and the ice cream popsicle stick, some crayons, some markers.
Let's get started. We will start coloring the rainbow using crayons. Let's start and name the colors. First we'll start with red, orange. You can even use finger painting. You can make the fingerprints on using the colors and even the earbuds. What is the next color? Yes, you're correct. It's yellow. What's next? It's green. Next is blue. Can you spell it out? B-L-U-E, blue. Next is indigo. And the last one is the violet, and here is our rainbow. Here I am sticking a cutout of a heart for our daddy and a beautiful cloud. You can even make a cutout of a cloud. That's the white one. Now, next, we are going to stick the clouds over the rainbow, which is white color. And you can use the sticky notes to write notes for your daddy and make him feel special on Father's Day. Like here we have it, you are the best daddy. I love you, Papa. And the quote we have used here is, you add colors to my life. And here is our beautiful Father's Day rainbow craft. Can you see this? I hope you like our simple and fun Father's Day craft activity. See you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. See you next time. Bye-bye.